Hey there, welcome back to our channel and welcome to my kitchen. Y'all come on in. We're gonna make whipped cream. Homemade, quick, easy, perfect whipped cream. You're gonna need some vanilla, quarter cup of sugar, a cup of whipping cream, and a frozen quart jar. We're going to start with the whipping cream. To make 2 cups of whipping cream, you need 1 cup of cream. And we're just going to kind of eyeball it. If that's a cup, that might be just over a cup, but it's close. 1/4 cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. I use an Immulsion Blender. Now, obviously, if you don't have an Immulsion Blender, you can do it in a bowl with a regular mixer. But this is so easy. We're just going to put it in there, turn it on, and whip away. And there it is. 2-3 minutes. Boom. Done. And it is wonderful. Look how nice and thick. Oh, yeah. Okay. And like, subscribe, share, come back and see us. Tell a friend. Buy us a coffee. Goes really good with whipped cream. See ya.